we're making a banana mandarin smoothie. So first we're going to start off with half a cup of ice and 1/3 of a cup of milk and 2 bananas and 2 peeled mandarins. To start off, cut the bananas. Okay, and add the ice. Then add the milk. Then go ahead and add all of the bananas. And then add all of the mandarins. Now you can use a normal blender or a hand blender. If you're using a hand blender, use a container, and if you're using a normal blender, just use the normal container you use. Now I'm using a hand blender, so let's blend. You need to blend it until it's smooth. Good. Now we can take that off. And it's done. And you can pour it into 2 cups if you're sharing it with another person, or you can just get it all for yourself. Please like and subscribe. Bye.